Nim, attacking the facility from the ground is suicidal.
We don't have a choice. My demo team must infiltrate each bunker in order to blow the shield generators. Until then, we can't touch the plant, and Toph will keep cranking out trihexalon.
It's your command. I'll do what I can to protect you.
Nim, wait for my order, then move in on the first shield bunker.
How many bunkers do we need to hit?
I count 6 bunkers.
Let's try to do this without any casualties.
I'll do some recon to find the first target.
Awaiting your signal, Jedi.
Okay, go!
Let's get 'em! We're in the bunker.
Audie, this is Sol 6. I'll update you on our status. And I'm on the network. This is Sol 6. Clear the area. This thing is gonna blow.
Nice!
Excellent, but there are still 5 bunkers. Move in on the shield bunker that I have targeted.
Let's go, boys. They're onto us.
I have your back covered, Nim.
Nice!
Hostile destroyed.
Compiling no combat statistics. Bullseye!
Okay, we're inside.
This one has a different security system. Okay, I'm into the system.
Excellent! That takes care of that shield bunker.
4 bunkers remaining.
Those barracks are open. Shoot the barracks.
See if you can cause some trouble in this bunker.
We're going in.
Direct hit.
Droid Starfighters in range. We can destroy the enemy barracks, but only when they're open. Jam all channels.
On target.
Okay, we're inside.
Contact made.
Excellent.
Timer set. Get out of this bunker now.
Obliterated.
Good work. 3 bunkers left.
Nim, are you sure this is going to work?
Trust me, that shield is coming down.
The AATs keep coming.
We need help with these tanks.
Shoot the barracks. They're open.
I'm picking up a division of staffs. Good.
We're being attacked. Ready for your next order.
Target destroyed.
We've got staffs and battle droids.
Jedi, we need some cover.
See if you can cause some trouble in this bunker.
I think we can get there.
Excellent.
We're taking fire down here. Only 4 left.
Watch out!
I'm picking up a lot of battle droids.
We're taking fire down here. Hey, Jedi, can't you use the Force to take out this army? We're getting overrun down here.
A Jedi never squanders the Force, Nim, but in this case, Force Shockwave may be useful.
Battle droids heading our way. We're being attacked. Blast! Down to 3 men.
Watch out! Watch out! Direct hit. Target destroyed.
Okay, we're inside.
Contact made. And I'm on the network. This is Sol 6. Clear the area. This thing is gonna blow.
Furious.
Only 2 bunkers remain.
We're making headway. Let's keep it up.
Yes, but we must stay on the offensive.
Jedi, we need some cover. Waiting. We're getting ambushed down here.
Hostile destroyed.
We're taking fire down here.
Initiate Protocol 3, Echo 9.
Scarab fighters.
Excellent! Nice!
2 commandos left. If we lose another man, we'll never make it.
Watch out!
We're getting ambushed down here.
Dead on!
Craft eliminated.
Nice! Dead on!
We're in the bunker.
Craft eliminated.
What are you doing in there?
I think they're onto us. The codes have changed. I need some more time. I can't concentrate with this racket. Okay, I'm into the system.
Scarab fighters.
This thing could go anytime. Get ready to run.
Fantastic. One more bunker.
Hostile destroyed. Okay, go.
Got it. Good shot.
Initiate Protocol 4, Gamma 4.
Thought you said these bunkers would be empty. Jedi, we need your help down here.
On target.
Those suicide timers are gonna blow. Keep your heads down. Protect the timers. Even if we die here, the Jedi can still finish the mission.
I'm not about to let you die. Now move.
You heard the lady. Everyone